So, hello everyone. This is a new video, and our next question is about reversing a integer. So, here's the question: given a signed 32-bit integer and its digit reversed, if reversing x causes the value to go outside the signed 32-bit integer range, then return 0. So basically, what's given in this question, we have given a number, and it asks us to reverse it. We have given test cases like one x is equal to 1 to 3, we have to give 3 to 1, and if we have given x is equal to minus 123, then we have to give minus 321, and it also gives us a range which is storable in integer. Okay, it should not be less than minus 2 to the power 31 and should not be greater than 2 to the 31 minus 1. Okay, so first of all, we start the question. So, how can we start it? First, we make a copy of a number, whether it is a positive or a negative. So, we take the absolute of a number. So, here you learn how to take absolute of a number in Java, like int org is equal to math dot apps, then the number we have to take the absolute of, so we have the number x. Okay, then now we have a number which is positive. Now what we have to print, then the reverse of number, so we take a variable result, int result is equal to 0. Then now we have to handle the two conditions. First of all, it should not go outside the range that we have given in the question, and we also have to handle the negative integer. So first of all, we take a while loop, while uh, so we get while org not is equal to 0 is equal to 0. Then we have to take a last we have to take a digits of the number, then we take a last digit is equal to org modulus 10. Now we take the digit from the number. Okay, then we divide org original number, the original number, with the org by 10. Here I have discussed this concept in the previous question. You can see it from the this statement, ld is equal to org modulus 10. We take the digits of the number. We take 10 modulus 4, then it will give remainder. When we use this modulus sign, it will give remainder, so it will give 2, because 4 to the 8, and then from 10 minus 8 is equal to 2, so it will give a remainder. Similarly, if we take the number like 1 2 3 and then divide it by 10, so it will give the remainder 3, because 12 into 10 is equal to 120, then it will give the remainder 3. So similarly, for under the loop, we extract the digits from the number 3 2 1, and by using this statement, org is equal to org divide by 10, it will give the quotient. Like here we take like example 1 2 3, and if we divide it by 10, it will give 12. So from this, we decrease the number by one digit, which we have expected from it. Similarly, we use this logic in this, and after that, so we write the logic org divided by, oh sorry, org sorry org is equal to org divided by 10. Hmm. Now we check the condition for the range we have given. Check for the condition, the range we have given for the integer. For this, we have to discuss the concept, like for getting the maximum value that can store in the integer variable. We use integer dot dot max underscore value. It will give the maximum value of integer it can store in the this this statement gives the maximum value of integer that can store on the integer variable. And similarly, integer dot min underscore value, this gives the minimum value of minimum integer, means 2 to the power 30, 2 to the minus 31, to the power minus 31 is given by this statement, integer dot min, and the 2 to the power 31 minus 1 will be given by this statement integer dot max value. How to use in a condition, uh, we have to check whether we write like, first of all we store the result is equal to result into 10 plus uh, last digit. So now we have to check this condition, this condition range before this result result variable. So what we have to do, we have to check the result into 10 should not exceed 2 to the power 31 minus 1 and should not be less than minus 2 to the power 31. Okay, so we take the condition right about this. If our result is so when we do not use, so how can we check? No, we can check it. Result is greater than integer dot max value, or result is less than integer dot min underscore value. Then what we have to done? Return zero. Okay. Now, a first condition is fulfilled of range. Then we have to store the result is equal to result into 10 plus, we also have to divide it by 10, and because here we check for result into 10, so we take this 10 in the division of integer or max value, so it will equal. Okay, and here also we do division by 10. Now result is equal to, and then if for the second condition that x should not less than 0. If x is, because we do not change the x, we change its value in the original org variable. So if x is less than 0, then what we have to done, result is equal to minus result, and then we have to return result. Okay, return result. We can run this. If we run this, compilation error. Uh, Error cannot find symbol. Okay, we do not initialize the variable. That's why this error comes. Int ld. Sometimes it happens. And C. For the test case 1, 2, 3, it will give 3 to 1. It gives 3 to 1, and similarly for case 2 minus 1 to 3, it gives minus 3 to 1. And for the third case, for 120, it gives 2 1 accepted as accepted. See? Okay. Now we will submit it. So here we done. Okay. Bye.